The automation industry is facing a shortage of workers, which stems from a variety of issues such as misunderstanding and a lack of knowledge of what a job in the industry looks like. The available pool of interested talent in the automation industry does not appear to be meeting market's demand, and this industry requires more talent with the necessary knowledge. The Madesoft Academic Fullstack Industrial Automation and PLC programming course is specifically designed for you to learn the skills and tools needed to launch a successful career in the field of PLCs, automation design, and programming. This course has been meticulously designed by experts with over 15 years of experience in the fields of PLCs, automation design, and programming to provide in-depth learning in industrial automation, including PLC programming, human-machine interface, SCADA systems, and DCS. At the end of this course, you will be equipped with the right skills and tools needed to launch a successful career in the field of PLCs and automation design and programming. Click on the link below or head over to www.madesoftacademic.com to enroll for this course.